Good morning, Miss CrayCray. Where's Miss CrayCray? That's where she's usually at school.
I'm late for school, for slime school. Slime. No, I want to be a slime teacher. Oh, Mommy, give me slime, Mommy. Oh. It's time to rise and shine. Oh. Oh, well, hello there. Good morning. I'm so excited today. I just love teaching slime school. I thought today would be a great day to show all you slime students out there what the morning routine of a slime teacher looks like. And I've gotten up extra early, so we have lots of time to really go through everything. This is going to be a great day. Being a slime teacher is the greatest calling on earth, and I absolutely love it. Let me take you guys to the bathroom so I can show you how I get started. Okay, so we're off to the bathroom. It gets a little dark right here. Okay, so let's just turn on the lights. Light and light. The first thing I like to do is start with a relaxing mask on my face. Today, I'm going to be using this slime. Now, just so you know, only slime teachers can use slime on their face. This is definitely something I tell my students they can't do. But I live in a slime world, not the real world, so I can do whatever I want. All right. Ooh, this mask is a heat reactive color changing. It goes from purple to blue. Ooh. All right, let's take a look. Ooh, okay, I think it's in some plastic. Let's get it out. Here it is. Let's see if I can. Ooh, very pretty purple. I wonder if it'll change colors on my face. It's a little dry. But I think we can get it going. It's not really changing colors. It must have expired. But I'm gonna use this mask anyway. So let's begin. Let me get it into a nice mask shape. All right. Just gonna start putting this all over. Use that for my breathing. I'm just gonna leave it just like that. Nice and luxurious. Oh, I just love slime masks. Keeps me fresh and young and hip like all those youngsters out there.
Good morning, Miss CrayCray. Where's Miss CrayCray? That's where she's usually at school. Oh, maybe she's just only a few minutes behind. What are we supposed to do? I don't know. I've never been to school without a teacher. It's kind of boring. Maybe we should practice making some slime. I think that's a great idea, so we can get A+ on our test. I really need to practice making foam slime. Today I'm going to go for purple and white. And then I'm going to go for, what color do I want? I'm going to do it. Be careful, Naiah. And I want to practice making giant bubble slime. Let's choose like little. Ooh, I really love these colors at top. And these rainbow. Which one should I choose? Wait, is that... Ooh, I don't know which one to decide. I'll choose these colors. I'm gonna get some maybe purple.
I think that was enough slime for one morning. Time to peel it off. Ooh, look at all that junk. Slime teacher has a very dirty face. Throw that away. Now it's time to brush my teeth. But I don't use regular toothpaste like you regular people. I'm a slime person. So that means I brush my teeth with slime. And I like my teeth to be really sparkling. So I got this really, really pretty sparkly green slime paste. Just gonna add some of that right there to my toothbrush. That looks nice and delicious. Time to brush those pearly whites. Oh, I think it's really working. How do I look? I know, it's really, really good slime paste. You definitely shouldn't use it. I'm a slime person, so I can do this. But look how pretty I look. Now, it's time to get dressed and make some breakfast. Time to go from this to this. I'm all dressed for slime school. Let's go get breakfast.
One and thank you, Ellie. You're welcome. Oh wait, you need glue. Oh yeah. Ellie, do you want white or clear? I'll choose clear. White. Ooh. I don't know if this is gonna turn out good. Have you ever tried making bubble slime before? No, but I saw it on YouTube and I thought it would be a good surprise to surprise Miss CrayCray. Ooh, I think it's ready now. Ooh, so sticky. Ooh, it's frozen. I want to add this nice pink. Shake a lot. That's way too much glitter. It's making a big mess. It's never too much glitter. Shake, shake, shake. I think this is enough now. Now let's add some purple. Whoa, Ellie. You can go crazy with glitter. Ellie?
Okay, we're in my slime kitchen and I have everything I need to make my breakfast. I think today I'm gonna be making slime eggs and bacon. This is my first time vlogging, so I'm kind of weird on how to set up. I think what I'm gonna do is put the camera down here so you guys can see what I make, and then I'll be talking over it or voiceover, whatever they call it in the YouTube world. Okay, so I have my bowl right here, and I think I'm gonna make my eggs first. So I'm gonna go ahead, pour in my glue. Not too much, I'm on a diet. There's a such thing as too much slime for a girl. So that's the base for my egg. I'm trying to think, do I want scrambled eggs, poached eggs, fried eggs? I think I'm gonna do an egg sunny side up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my activator in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix. So I'm gonna mix it till I get a nice consistency. When you're doing a poached slime egg, you don't want it too, loose. You want it to have a little firmness in the final outcome. If I add too much activator, it'll really make my eggs rubbery. And trust me, no slime person wants to eat rubbery eggs. Well, slime eggs, that is. Okay, so there it is so far, and I think it's looking really good. We're gonna set that aside and let that set up. Now on for my yolks. I am going to go ahead and pour in some more glue. Not as much as for my whites. Of course, what color are yolks? That's right, yellow. So let's put some yellow in. And we want a nice, bright, sunny yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and mix my color before I put my activator in, just to make sure I'm working with the right colors. So I have my yolks a good color. I'm going to go ahead and add my activator. Ugh, whoa, hope I didn't add too much. Ew, I may need to take some cooking lessons. All right, ooh, no. Look at that, look at her. She's coming along good. Ooh, nice and yolky and milky. We're gonna set all that aside and now I'm gonna make some bacon. Ooh. Now I'm gonna pour in some more white glue and I think I'm gonna have 2 pieces of bacon today. I want it to be a little stiff, so I'm gonna put in a little shaving foam. Ugh, shaving foam is kind of a dud. Now put in a little bit of red. Okay, I'm gonna take my cute nerdy nummies little mixing spoon and mix this up. Ooh, that's too bright. I think I'm gonna have to grab some brown. So I have my brown color. I'm gonna add maybe just a drop in, just to give my bacon that cooked look. Right now it kind of looks like raw meat. Ugh. Okay, I think that little dab of brown will do. Ooh, it's cooking. I'm cooking this bacon. I like my bacon extra crispy. Do you like yours extra crispy? Now that that's there, I'm gonna
Now for my color. But I feel like I want it to be a little different than this. Let me get that green. There, I did it! Let's mix it, guys. Guys, what's in the world? I was like, what? Guys, this is like almost mint. Okay, this is a good enough color. I love it. Okay. I like these purple beads, but I don't think this is perfect either. These peaks are the perfect colors for this mint green. I gotta make foam slime, so I gotta add a lot of these. Whoa! I really love this, but I think it needs more foam beads. And I want pink.
I'm gonna go ahead and add my activator. Oh yeah, this bacon's frying up quick. Ooh, oh yeah, that's some good bacon there.
And I know you're probably thinking, Miss CrayCray, this does not look like bacon. It looks more like scrambled brain. But I'm telling you, it's gonna be delicious. Well, for me. You couldn't eat it, but I can.
Oh yeah, he's working now. Voila! Look at that bacon.
Okay, now it's time to plate it.
Let's get my egg ready. Ooh, nice and yolky and soft. Very good. Let's see how this yolk has set up. Oh, it's nice. Nice consistency. Let's go ahead and knead it. You wish upon a star makes no difference who you are. All right, I think that looks delicious. All right, so I have my plate right here. I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna give myself 2 eggs today. Go ahead and split our whites. And I'm just gonna plop them down right here. There we go. Now I'm gonna do my other egg white. Ooh, these are gonna be some big eggs. Oh, I like a big breakfast. Okay, while those are setting up on the plate, go ahead and turn it, and I'm gonna place my bacon. I'm gonna set my bacon like that. I'm gonna set my other bacon like that. Scoop this over. Beautiful. Okay, now it's time for my yolks. So I'm gonna take my yolks. And I don't need as much slime as I made a little too much yolk for this breakfast. So I'll save some yolk for another time. Put my yolk there. And now let's put the other yolk on this egg.
And voila! A delicious slime breakfast for me. Oh, is that my phone ringing? Hold on. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Hello? Hi, Principal. What? What time is it? I'm so sorry! I had no idea! My alarm must be broken! I'll be right there, I promise! Oh no, I'm not gonna have time to enjoy this delicious breakfast. I'm late for school, for slime school. Oh, my poor students are probably worried sick about me. Okay, all right guys, end of the vlog. Bye. I'm so sorry I'm late for slime school. I don't know what happened, but my electricity or my phone must have shut off in the middle of the night, changed the time, and I thought the alarm was at the right time, but it was the wrong time, and now I'm late.
It's okay, we practiced making slime, teacher.
You guys made slime? Without even a teacher? Whoa! Can I check them out?
Yeah.
Whoa! Look at this purple glitter! Dream! Look at all the sparkles!
Huh, why are all these little bubbles in it right there?
It's bubble bubble slime.
Bubble slime? I love bubble slime. Can I play with it?
Sure.
Whoa! Look at all those glitters. It's like chickens. Whoa! This is a purple fantasy slime. And since you made it bubble slime, I think we can give this a super stretch. You want to try?
Yeah.
So you get that in, and I'll take this in, and we're gonna see how far we can stretch it. Whoa! So let's see if we can make a giant bubble now. Slow. Okay, now let's try to make a giant bubble. Whoa! It's growing and growing! It's getting bigger. I wonder how big it'll get. It's like Dr. Pimple Popper. I'm gonna pop it.
Miss CrayCray, look at my shoe. Ew. Ew, it's so sticky. It's like a slime shoe.
Oh, I love it. Slime fashion class. That's what we should have. Now, seeing as that this isn't a test or anything because you did this on your own, and this is really good slime, I'm definitely giving you a full extra credit for this. Good job, Ellie.
Yay!
Wow, Naiah, it looks like you made some too.
It's a poop.
It's a poop?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow, you made foam. Whoa, I love this, like, it's not teal, not aqua.
It's mint.
You're right, it's mint slime with this really pretty neon pink floam beads. Let me hear if it gets foamy. Let's see if it stretches. This is great. I think I'm gonna give this one a bounce test. 1, 2. Whoa! It bounced all the way to the floor. Now let's see if we can get a bubble out of this one. Yes, child. You have made a perfect, it kind of looks like Epcot Center. This is amazing slime. Naiah, you are also getting extra credit.
Yay, I get a treat.
You guys leave a comment. Which extra credit slime do you like best? Ellie's purple glitter fantasy or Naiah's mint and neon pink dream? You guys let me know.